Very nice. How much? So my front has LEDs, but my rear does not. And I'm gonna swap in some vintage LEDs, vintageledsplural.com. And I just looked up 61 to 66. So I'm also gonna replace these. These are actually in really good shape. I got some new ones right here. So the driver's side. So I'm doing that, but then back to vintage LEDs. Looks like they're for F100s and Broncos. So I don't need this backup light. I don't need that on this truck, so I just won't be plugging it in. And then of course, for both your flasher, your hazards, as well as your blinker, them set up for LEDs. Okay, so these are obviously original light bulbs with some good set but old lenses. And over here is the LED, vintage LEDs, and new lenses from Autocrafters. And there we have it. I will be blinding not only people in the front of me, but now behind me. If you need the lenses, go to Autocrafters. That's autocrafters.com. And if you guys need the LED lights, you like what you see, head to vintageleds.com. That's vintage LED plural. But yeah, if you guys want to go to Autocrafter, you guys can use promo code AK F100 World, all caps. AK F100 World, all caps. Heck yeah. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Follow, subscribe, do all that jazz. Appreciate you. See ya.